Okay, real question. Why can you understand English videos, English songs, English movies, but the moment you try to speak, your mind goes blank? Like poof, English disappears.
It's true. You know English, you just can't say it. But guess what? It's not your fault.
Exactly. And today, we're going to show you why this happens and how to fix it fast. Hey everyone, welcome back to TalkFluent. I'm James.
And I'm Sophie. Welcome back to TalkFluent. If this is your first time here, hit that subscribe button because we make English easy, fun, and natural. And today's lesson is going to hit hard because almost every English learner goes through this stage.
You watch English content. You understand 70%, 80%, maybe even 90%.
But when someone asks you a simple question like, "How was your day?" your brain goes, "Error. System not responding."
By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what's blocking your spoken English and we'll fix it together.
You learned English in your head, not your mouth.
Here's the truth nobody tells you. You learned English silently.
You read English. You listen to English. But you never activated English.
Think of your English like a phone with apps installed. But you never opened them.
Exactly. Your brain knows the words, but your mouth never practiced them.
Here's a simple example. You know the word comfortable, right?
But say it out loud. Go on, say it right now.
See? Your mouth hesitated. That's not because you're bad at English. It's because your mouth is not trained.
Speaking is a muscle skill, not a memory skill. You think too much before speaking. English learners do this all the time. You try to build the perfect sentence in your head before speaking.
Like, should I say I went, I have gone, I did go. And while your brain is overthinking,
The conversation has already moved on.
native speakers don't speak perfectly. They speak quickly.
So here's a trick. Don't speak perfect English. Speak fast, simple English.
Instead of, I will attempt to contact you later. Just say, I'll call you later.
Your goal is communication, not perfection. You're scared of making mistakes.
Let me say this clearly. Fear is the number one reason you can't speak.
You're scared people will judge your accent, or laugh at your grammar, or not understand you.
But here's the twist. Native speakers do not care.
No one cares if your English is perfect. They care if they understand you.
Think about kids. Kids speak with hundreds of mistakes and still communicate.
So, here's your mindset shift. If you speak and make a mistake, you win, because now your English is improving.
If you stay silent, you lose. Because nothing changes.
You don't practice speaking out loud. Most learners practice English like this. You watch videos silently. You read silently. You think silently.
But speaking silently is like going to the gym and lifting imaginary weights. Nothing happens.
You must say words out loud, even when you're alone.
Talk to yourself. Repeat lines from movies. Shadow native speakers.
For example, say this right now with me. Hey, can I ask you something really quick?
Again. Louder. More natural.
See? You're already training your speaking muscles. You don't know the 3-second rule.
This is a game changer. When someone asks you something in English, you have 3 seconds to start speaking.
Not to answer perfectly, just to start.
If you wait more than 3 seconds, your brain starts panicking.
So even if you're not sure, start with fillers like, let me think. Well, actually.
This buys you time. And it makes you sound fluent.
Fluency isn't about knowing everything. It's about keeping the conversation moving. You think fluency means perfect grammar.
Let me tell you something shocking. Native speakers break grammar rules every single day.
We say, I'm gonna instead of I am going to. Wanna instead of want to. Let me instead of let me.
Fluency is not grammar. Fluency is flow.
If people understand you easily, you're fluent. The solution: speak small, speak daily.
Here's the secret formula. Small sentences plus daily practice equals fast fluency.
Don't wait for the perfect environment. Don't wait for the perfect partner.
Start today. Speak for 5 minutes.
Talk about
It
your
doesn't
day.
matter what you
Describe
say.
your room.
It
Repeat
matters
YouTube
that you say it.
lines. Speak to your mirror. Talk to your pet. Talk to your phone.
It doesn't matter what you say. It matters that you say it.
Let's quickly recap everything we learned today. You know English. You understand English. Your brain is ready.
Your mouth just needs training. And you can start that today.
Don't wait for perfect grammar. Don't wait for confidence. Confidence comes after speaking, not before.
Your English is already good enough. Now it's time to use it.
All right. That's it for today's lesson.
Tell us in the comments. What stops you from speaking English? Fear? Overthinking? Shyness?
And if today's video helped you, make sure to like, share, and subscribe.
Keep reading, keep learning.
And we'll see you in the next one.
Bye.